What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to do a vlog style of what I'm doing in my business, what I do in a day, whatever you want to call it. It is now the morning and I just am getting started with everything, starting these two embroidery machines up. I got quite a bit of things to go through today. So I'm just going to put you on the stand and keep moving around, I guess, and see how it goes. Tell me in the comments what you guys think, if you like this new way of me doing this, or what you're thinking. I don't know. I'm still going to do like videos like when I find something new about the two-head, or one of the lasers, or one of these machines. I'm going to always put it in there. I got stuff for the Epson. I won't be working on that today, unfortunately. I want to, but just not going to happen. So, I got a bunch of beanies. I had 200 beanies to do, but I'm only down to a couple, I think 20, not even 20 left. So we'll get this job finished out and then move on to the next one. So get everything ready, I guess. You know, this is really weird doing this, because normally, I got a thread break, did that wrong. Normally I listen to the radio, and I can't listen to the radio when I'm doing this. I won't be able to have sound because of copyrights and all that mumble stuff. So some of you guys are probably wondering, why are you using cutoff stabilizer on beanies? Well, I have a reason for everything, and if you put it in the comments, I'm just gonna heart it and I'm gonna move on because I'm saying it now. Excuse me. So I have cutaway. This is cutaway. It's the backer, if you don't know. You put this behind it because this has a lot of little font. Then on top of it, I'm using the water soluble stuff for the top to hold the thread up so it doesn't sink in. This company has a lot of smaller letters and small font and detail that this helps it make it look better. Now some people are going to say, how come you don't do the knockdown and then do it over it? I personally think that looks like crap, so I don't do it that way. I want to keep their logo as original as I possibly can. So that's why I do that. On top of that, those water solubles are really expensive. So I use them more than once. So this goes into the machine like this, and you'll see I take it off and I spin it around and then it'll go on right here. So I use this twice before I throw it away because these things aren't cheap. So I make it last. I have hats to do, and to do these hats, I need to switch out the needles because this is some really, really small detail in this hat. I always keep the old boxes and I put bad on them. I put the old needles in there. I don't ever save needles. I don't care if I used it 2 or 3 times. To me, it's not worth it. It's a cheaper item. Just replace it. Way easier, and it helps you out of headaches. So, this has white. We're going to do white first. Sorry, just realized I didn't have the camera on when I was loading this machine. I got 2 hats in. I had to go do chores. I forgot all about it. So I have a bunch of animals. Went and fed them. All done. Now I gotta get everything going. This design is just killing me. I had to get a new battery. You guys fell asleep on me. So this hat, this design is just crazy. There's so much to it. It's not cutting right. and it's done this with every embroidery that I have so far. So something with the design, it's just so packed. I don't know. It's a lot of detail and whatnot. So I gotta sit down and figure this out. Contact the company. It's just nuts. Darn it. So I gotta fix this. Until then, I'm gonna get these beanies done. Now I'm behind. They're done. Because I had to go to battery. And I gotta redo all these. So these are ready and go. Part of working. I should have actually probably turned on the camera when I came out here this morning at 5 in the morning. Just to let you guys know, I was out here early. And I always get out here. We get up at 5. I don't know. It's just what I've done for a long time. But I come out and start working, and we're about done with this order. This was 100 black ones, hats. So get these shipped out today or delivered would be great. I also like to start the machines at the same time. So this way they're done at the same time. It just makes it a lot easier. It gives me a longer break in between so I can be running something else. I bet I can load this hat in record time. Ready, set, go! Boom, done. Just like that, the magic of editing, that was the fastest you've ever seen. Because I am awesome. So the camera died, not like battery died, it's full. So I'm gonna just kind of finish this video out like this. I have only this many black hats to go, and then that box is done. I have only a couple of those to go, and that job's done. That's for a fundraiser I'm sending to them, all at my expense. I have some t-shirts, DTFs to run through quick, and then that's it for the day. So, oh, and I have a piggy bank. I don't know if I think I showed you I was painting it. That thing. We're gonna finish that and send that out today, and that is it. So I'm gonna call her, well, that's it for you guys. I'm gonna keep working. It's only 2 o'clock, so I got some time left, but I'm not gonna go back in the house and get a card for that camera, because if I do that, I get distracted, because then Sarah starts talking to me about her day, and so forth and so forth, and then next thing you know, the kids are home, and I just gotta get some stuff done. So I'm gonna keep going. If I have anything else exciting, I'll put it in. Otherwise, glad you guys see me again. Bye.